we're here. Ito yun guys. Ang pangalan niya, Season Cafe. At matcha. Did I pass? We will not allow you to watch Dumbo na. How's Dumbo? So,
You cannot separate a baby from a mom.
yeah.
Hey guys! Well, hey! Hello! So, it's Sunday and we're about to go out. So, ano lang namin, susulitin lang namin ang huling hirit sa weekend. At ano, ayan, magta-try akong mag-vlog sa labas kasi alam niyo naman na nagpa-practice ulit tayo mag-vlog. And this time naman, tatry ko naman kasi may kasama tong mic. So, tinuturoan ako ni Papa. So, may connect na mic. Let's see if we'll get like a better audio. So, in preparation sa paglabas, sunblock of course, sa leeg. Tapos, ito naman yung sa katawan. Though, ano naman na, 5 p.m. In fairness, everyday na kami lumalabas. Grabe si Papa, like 20k steps siya per day. Ako naman ay 10k steps. Hindi pa kaya ng, ano ko, endurance ko ang 20k. So, may bagong coffee shop sa may, ano tawag dito? So, mag-ano tayo? Mag-hot para protect, added protection. Tapos, asa yung shades ko? Papi, nakita mo ba yung shades ko? Love? Wait lang. Hanapin natin yung shades. Okay, well anyways, mag-cologne tayo. Para pag may nakita tayong friends. Marami na rin kaming friends dito, guys. Church community. Hanapin ko lang. Time check, guys. It's 5:05 and ito ang sunrise situation. Love, makiklik ba to para makita yung sun?
Asan? Asan ka ba?
Asan ba yung sun?
Naka-zoom ka eh. Ay, hindi eh.
Hindi, ayun. Yan.
Click mo siya. Click mo yung paligid.
Ayan. Yan. Yan, guys. 5:05 p.m.
Hi baby. We're here in D-Mall guys. Paano ulit mag-zoom, love?
Click mo siya.
Ito.
Yan, click mo.
Yan.
Mag-change siya, di ba? O, galawin mo na.
Okay. D-Mall. Ayan guys, yung D. Ay, hanggang 2x lang.
2x lang.
Oh, okay. Tapos pagtapos na ako.
Okay. Back. Click mo na ulit.
Okay.
Ay, hindi. Click mo ulit.
Tapos back ko
Gagalawin
na.
mo ulit. Click mo ulit. Tapos back mo na.
Okay.
Yan.
Tapos, okay na yun.
Okay na. Back
So,
mo na ulit.
tatayo na ulit siya. Ay, hindi. Okay.
Don't forget.
Okay. So, try na. Okay, gagana na. Okay, nandito na tayo sa D-Mall, guys. Hi, Mia! Hi, ate. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to my vlog.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to my vlog.
Okay, so hanapin natin, guys, yung cafe. Where's Papi? Yeah. Daming tao, guys, kasi they're waiting for the sunset.
Sunod ko?
Aha. Hey, we're here. Ito yun, guys. Ang pangalan niya, Season Cafe. Let's check the menu. Okay. Oh, may coconut americano sila. Asan si Papa? Ano pa? Let's go?
Let's go.
Okay. Thank you. Wow, yeah, the finish. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Wow. Look. So where do you want to sit? Wow, I love it. Okay. Anong order nyo? You wanna take a look at your order first? Okay. We're seated. Apo na kami, guys. Sinusunod niya ako today, oh.
Attraction.
Ba't ganun? Starbucks, guys. Kasi medyo na-overstimulate ako dun sa bagong coffee shop. And medyo mainit. Parang gusto kasi mag-edit and parang tumambay sa labas ngayon, Sunday. So, we're here.
It's just like, it's not that we don't like it.
Okay, so Yana and Mia, may bago silang nilalaro ngayon.
Not bago. Not bago.
Oh, how long na? How
2
long?
years.
2 years nyo nang nilalaro yan? Okay, can you, show here?
It's like real life.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, everything is real. There's money, there's ATM. You can do anything you want. There's no like, what do you call it? No other people here, just you and you.
And it's an offline game. And what's the name?
Tokaboka World.
Tokaboka World. Do you recommend it with
Yeah.
your online friends? You will recommend it. What are they gonna learn from it?
Well, it's like real life. There's like ATM.
Ba't puro ATM, babe? Ba't kailangan ba ng pera?
No, there's like ATM.
Okay.
It will teach you real life design.
Show it.
So for example, you go to the shop. Diba? This is the shop. I don't know if
Oh, it's loading.
yeah, it's really like that.
But you don't need internet. Oh, there's an option to pay.
Yeah, you can design and build. There's special offers. There's a sale, stuff like that. And I really want a coastal villa. Although it's 199.
Oh. So you have to work hard for it.
Yeah, it's like my weekly allowance.
Okay, hindi ko alam guys kung kailangan nila lapit. Tinry ko kasi ilapit sa kanila yung mic. Hello.
Whoa,
Hindi ko alam if it's making a difference. Nakalimutan ko itanong kay Papa kung paano ko malalaman kung nakakabit yung mic. Pero ito siya, tapos nakaklip siya sa damit. Wait lang.
There's even a dog walking.
Here.
Really? That's how
Ay,
it
mali.
looks like. Oh, I want it so bad. And malak.
So we'll ask Papa later, how do we know if nakakonect yung mic? And let's see sa vlog if yung audio niya, okay dito ako dapat nakatingin, yung audio niya will make a difference. So, nandito ulit ako sa tabi ni Papa.
Umutakpan yung ano.
Wait. Saan ba? Ganyan. So, kunyari, interviewin kita. Ano na naman kami, guys? Media Course 101. Wait. So, alin? Ito.
Ito.
Okay. So, this is the mic.
May ano siya dito kasi pwede mo siyang parang docking station niya. Sa ilalim.
Alin sa yung dock?
So, pwede mo siyang i-record stop. Ayan, ito. Ay, sorry, hindi pala yun. Ito pala.
Anong gagawin?
Uli.
Okay.
Kung pinindot mo kasi ito magre-record siya dito, pero hindi mo naman kailangan mag-record siya dito.
Ayos ko So, we'll stop by people and then we'll interview
I think
them.
no need for you to,
Okay. So, maano na siya?
masyadong
So,
malaki.
i-clip ko na lang siya. Hindi kunyari nga, ako ngayon nag-i-interview. So, how much is your coffee? Yeah. Okay, so i-clip natin.
Hindi, kaya makita dalawa yung ganyan mo. Kasi i-clip mo dun sa isa yung...
Hindi kunyari family vlog or kunyari kakausapin ko kayo, hindi siya masyado maririnig. Diba? E di tanggalin ko na lang yung mic.
Hindi mo na lang dali. Dali mo na lang as ano.
Okay.
Baka mawala
But let's
pa.
see, pag in-edit ko na siya, we'll see the quality.
I suggest itabi mo na yun kasi baka mawala pa.
Okay.
Kasi natatanggal sa'yo, hindi mo na pa.
Hindi, matibay siya oh.
Manalaglag kanina yan.
Kasi sa bag.
Paulo, kung nawala. Sabi ko sa kanya, bumili pa siya ng extra para yan. Pag itatabi na lang yung system. Kasi 1 tera na niya. Kasi durin mo ang iPhone. Ang difference na 1 sa 5 yun. Upgrade mo.
Good morning! Breakfast, guys.
How to fix this?
Hi, my love.
Ay, kain.
Today's menu ni Papa ay
Pulled pork.
pulled pork burger. So, meron tayong toasted bread. Syempre, boiled egg. Ayan.
Lettuce.
Boiled egg. Asa yung lettuce? Ito guys, yung lettuce natin. Ay, ayan pala.
Wow.
Lettuce and cheese. So, what's in your burger, Mia?
So first things I did is put the cheese and then the lettuce and then the meat.
And then the meat. Did you put any like mayo?
No,
How about you, ate?
I like it like this.
Did you customize your burger as well?
It must be and then like there's an arrangement.
Papa's eating a deconstructed burger. When you say deconstructed, it's not
Together.
together. It's not constructed. And meron ding nag-aano doon, guys. May nagbe-breakfast na din doon. Kasabay namin. Okay. Let's make the burger. Okay. So, syempre, lettuce muna.
No, it's mostly this one.
No, kasi siya yung magsasalo nung ano.
Oh no, this is hot. And then you close the lettuce so it won't fall. You use the
Ay, kayo. Walang buto to, lab.
Tingnan mo kung meron.
I'll just take the risk.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay, so ito yung pulled pork. So, may dumating kasi instant pot namin nung isang araw. Ayun guys. Dumating yung instant pot nung isang araw. So, tinatry namin siya. Ilang minutes lang tong pulled pork.
30.
30 minutes, guys. Do you recommend it, my love?
Yeah.
Parang fall off the bone na ba yung level niya? Yeah. So, actually, na-recommend siya ng
Kasing.
pinsan ni Mac na nag-visit dito. Na yun nga, sobrang sulit. Tapos doon nila ginagawa yung yogurt nila. Doon hindi pa namin nagagawa yung yogurt.
Can we make later?
Yes, we plan to. Kasi favorite namin guys yung bitik. Better than ice cream. Grabe, OG. Pregnant pa ako kay Mia noon. Talagang dinadayo namin ni Papa yun sa Green Hills. Tapos, dito, meron sa grocery dito. So, talagang, and that's yogurt. So, pero yung mga plain yogurt or kaya yung nasa cup, hindi tayo masyadong mahilig.
I'm used to it.
Oh,
Ang tamis kasi.
So, cheese, tapos, ano pa? Ito na, no?
Yeah. That if you're not a spicy fan, just don't
Straw.
do it.
Bakit?
Straw.
Para saan?
Kulang. May kulang.
Oh, you're
Hindi,
drinking Papa.
iniisip ko kung lalagyan ko siya ng egg. And then, actually, hindi ko na siya i-close kasi baka
Yeah, like that.
isang bread lang yung kunin ko. Or bunless. Kasi galing tayo sa gym, guys. Parang hindi naman sayang yung nag-gym natin.
Top yung ano?
Grabe ka ba
Bread.
sulit, no?
Bread and toasted.
Mm.
Get your rice. Oh, egg. Eat egg. So you will feel full.
Grabe. Nilagyan niyo ba ng cheese? Ang sarap. Kasi sarap may bread.
I want.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you.
Sabay pa tayo, no?
Hindi ko mabigay kasi iisa lang eh. Pamugsuntukan.
And sabay pa si mom and dad.
Egg na lang tayo. Egg. Kakailangan ng pat sa katawan. Okay.
No, you should like put egg and mayonnaise inside it around. I want meat.
So, may nakita kasi kaming chada worm sa lettuce. And it means it's healthy. So, si
It's not
Mia,
worm eh. Parang-
kinagat na niya yung burger niya. No, and Papa's trying to explain na if it has,
Pag may pesticide or chemicals, usually hindi kinakain ng mga ano.
Yes. Do you see like a chips na may worm?
Oh. Kasi,
And if anything eh.
yes. That's okay.
Is it dead?
Yes.
Did you kill it?
No, I did not.
It's
Wait, I need to prepare for my meeting.
Go lang. 10, no?
Iwanan ko na tong kable dito ha, para may charger kayo.
Good luck. I love you.
Ang good luck.
God bless.
I'll try to finish AP in 3 days. I'll try to finish 200 pages for AP. In 6 days. 200 pages is too much for you.
So, are we on track? Yeah. It depends on what experience you want to pursue. You know naman to yourself what's worth it.
This letter to CC was worth it though.
Yeah, I want to go back there. Like, I think we haven't, like, tried Frozen.
I like Rapunzel.
Yeah, it's in the same
I like
area.
Mario World.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to USJ naman eh.
Yes.
Mami, paano ko yan? Mia, wipe na. Now? Yeah. Ma, can you make me matcha?
Yeah, sure. Hot or cold?
I like cold. You know what's hot na lang?
Okay. I think I'll have matcha too.
Matcha please, Mom. Diba we,
You also, Mia.
how much time we slept last night? Because we drank matcha.
What?
1 a.m.
Hey, you have to, kaya nga dapat sa morning talaga kayo nagaganyang drink. Today, you have to go back to your bedtime, ha? Sunday kahapon, guys. So, nag-edit kasi ako sa Starbucks. In-edit ko yung July 2023 vlog. So, parang gusto ko siya isingit-singit. Inabot kami ng 10:30, di ba? So,
We're on 10:30. Bobby, patatat mo. Yeah.
Mia, anak, who's wiping the table?
Okay.
Mia, so you want matcha too? Hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold?
Yes, as usual.
Okay. As usual, cold.
As usual.
Okay, we're gonna do unboxing. So we have a Shiapi. What does it look like? Or what do you call that?
It's actually a folding extension, so when you're traveling and it's a long time, you have to get your ticket for the airport.
Grabe naman, pipila lang sa...
There's this chair that you can make it a bag or you can make it a chair. So you can sit down and wait.
Yeah, so if you're in a long line,
Especially in Disneyland. It was very long line.
yes, or kaya nasa theme park. Actually, we saw, ito yun guys. So, folding extension. Yan. Ano to? We saw this sa...
Disneyland.
No, in Korea.
Oh yeah, in Korea,
What's a theme park? Do you remember?
Everland.
Yeah, Everland. And grabe guys, kasi ang haba lagi ng pila. So,
Like every single ride, it's like 2 hours.
oo, tapos nakita namin yung mga kids, they're using this. So, nainggit kami. Gusto namin bumili. So, ang mahal. Like, parang 600 isa. Tapos sa Shopee, parang around 200 lang. So, sabi ko, okay, bibili tayo pang travel. So, let's
Yeah.
open it and see if it will live up to our expectations.
Oh, we got the red rainbow.
Maybe you can try. Don't cover the camera. Maybe you can try if, sorry, nabagsak ko ba yung...
Let's see.
Ooh, cool. Okay. And then you try to sit. Paano siya i-lock? No, I think you need to lock, baby. Ako na. Ayan. Wait. Kasi nga, twist to eh. So, ayan. Tapos, ayan. Wait, ako. Mia, calm down ka lang. Ayan. You see the lock?
Oh yeah, there's a lock.
Ito na yung pinakamalaki. Okay, try. So, it can carry, maximum weight niya.
1 kilo.
No, I think around,
There's another one, Mom.
yeah, okay.
At
Yeah, it's
behind.
actually the same naman eh.
Yeah, this is the rain.
Tapos, mo nga, be, i-wear mo if it's like not heavy. It's very wearable, like you can bring it anywhere. So, lock it properly and mababag mo siya.
Oh, there's 2.
Yeah, one. But we'll just share, ha? I didn't buy 4 na eh. Okay, so this is how, but how do we lock it? Oh, ayan, lock na siya ganon. Tapos, paano siya maging bag? Oh, it's like this. Adjustable ba siya? Okay, yeah. It is, I think so.
Ah,
Can you adjust or not?
you can with that. Okay. This is perfect for me. So I don't like sitting on sand. I'm more of a water person.
Oh, ganyan. Ganyan ba yun? Okay. I'm so confused. How does this work?
You want me to help? It breaks.
It will not kasi it's meant to like carry the heaviest of the heavy. So how do we...
Like hardwood.
Ate, paano ba po? Kasi it's supposed to be like that eh.
At the end, you do it.
Parang something like this. It should be easy to carry eh. Oh, look oh. Pero I think something's wrong. Pero yeah, it's like this. It should be parang ganun, di ba?
Like this.
No, kailangan naka-fold. Pero syempre, pag pero it's nice, no? Kasi matutulog mo rin siya sa video. Yeah. We'll just ask Papa to figure this out. I think it's better na
I mostly do my back like this. And you sit in different places.
But can you like parang cross body?
Across the body.
Yung sa like that.
Like this.
Hindi. The way that you wear it.
Oh, mostly my
Mia's matcha order. Cold matcha. Atiana's hot matcha. And I'll have hot matcha also. So, we'll just finish our drink and we'll start na ha. Matcha. How was it, baby? Did I pass?
yes.
Have you?
like it a bit more sweeter, you have to add one more stevia. One more. If the customers want it sweeter, you add one more. And
Yeah,
it's
but that's
enough.
a customer's preference eh. So you can just freely add. Kasi, if I make it super sweet, it's hard to remove the sugar. But if you want it more sweet, then
And then, this one needs to be better. Can I please? When you, no, you put this up, and then you put it back. You put this up, then you use your left hand, then, no, put it back, then put this up. Then, do it repeatedly, so you twist this to here. Then, you put it down. Then, you put it back. Then, and
yeah.
this is not just in the
Is that
right.
what you're trying to do?
This one is not
Just
the
one
right
last
spot.
corner.
This one's need to be exchanged. So how you do it in this case? Yes. No. You do the same thing. So you use your right arm. Right. Put this up. Use your left arm. Put this up. Then do it down. Everything. No. Everything. You just repeat it. Let me see. I need to.
How is it learning the Rubik's Cube? Does it require a lot of patience?
Yes.
Why? Is what I see Mia, she's a very passionate teacher.
You move it like this. Then up here. Like that. Then like that. Then you put it back. Okay, I put it back. Now, what I showed you, you put facing the green. Face the green. Now you do the moves. Left, up, use your left arm. Put this up. Now do it of the opposite. Just corner twist it. Ain't gonna do.
Sorry.
Hindi ko alam po, nandiyan na lip tint ko. Ito clip. Yung maganda yung clip na hinahanap mo. Alam ko yun yung malaki. Binabangan ko na rin yung tali mo. Paano lang.
Ay, hindi mo makita yung clip?
Alam ko malaki yung clip, pero hindi ko talaga makita.
How's your meeting?
Slot dock lang.
Tagal ng ano nyo ah.
Buong guyan pa kami.
Yeah, stop walking.
Oh,
I'm sleeping.
go sleep.
I have meeting eh. So I have back meeting today. So I have 1 p.m. meeting,
Where's my
which is 2
phone?
hours from now. I have 3 p.m. meeting, and I have 5 p.m. meeting. Hello, guys! Kakatapos lang ng aking 1 p.m. meeting. 2 hours din siyang inabot. Actually, almost 2 hours. Dito pala titingin. Practice. Dito ka titingin. And, so dumating na yung Shopee order ko. Faux freckles. Para lang akong tinapakan ng manok. ng naputikang manok sa aking face. Kamusta love? Bagay ba ako may freckles? Or baka hindi lang ako marunong maglagay? I need a makeup artist.
Kailangan mo na matuto.
Not good?
Okay naman.
Wow.
Naku, John.
Spelling grades ni Mia, oh. Ang galing.
Daki, John.
Until what list ka? My love. Can I see? Other one.
The list 13 is 20 out of 18.
Ano bibili ko?
18 out of 20.
18 out of 20 pala.
Yan.
Michelle, ano bibili ko?
Mark Glenn. Anong gusto mong bilhin? Yeah. Ba't ganun di nag-on? Ah, okay.
Time to give Simba a bath. Thank you, ate. Hi, Tita Margie. Hi, guys. It's already 7:38 in the evening. Dami pa natin gagawin. Pero, ang saya ko lang kasi dumating na yung mga accessories na binili ko for DJI na camera. So, bumili ako ng tempered glass. Wait, paano ko ba mapakita? Okay, dito. Ayan, wait. Switch. Ayan, so bumili, yan, tempered glass for the screen, tapos para dito. Tapos, meron na rin siyang magnet. Ito magnet, so madidikit ko na siya sa ref, ganyan, para may different angles. Tapos, bumili din ako ng...
Guwapo.
Ha? Akin ka. Joke. Ano siya, parang necklace. It's like this. Ito.
Lanyard.
Lanyard, yan. So, doon kasi natatawa ko kasi yung mga previous vlog ko, lagi rin na napapansin ni Margie, yung kapatid ko, na pag may lanyard, ganyan ako mag-vlog. Hi! Alam mo yung laging ganito pa, tignan mo. Hello. Ganon. Thank you, love. May sarili na akong Type-C. Sa laptop kasi ako nag-edit. So, ito siya. Nai-screw siya dito instead of the stand. Tapos, pwede ko siyang tanggalin. Pero, parang mas ganyan. Kasi lagi ko siyang hawak. Lahat kasi ng hawak ko nawawala ko. Anyway, so, ang agenda tonight. So, matuloy na maaga. Medyo madami tayong meeting today. Hindi pa kompleto yung 10K steps ko. I've been doing 10,000 steps since December 18. So, ngayon may 5,400. So, meron pa akong 4,600 steps, which is around 46 minutes. Nagagawin natin siya sa walkpad. Pero maglilinis po na kami ni Papa. Monday kasi today, so may kolekta ng basura. So once a week, we have a collection of basura. So piniprepare na namin parehong nabubulok at saka hindi nabubulok. So nanonood din ako ng vlog. I think, wait, masyado atang... yan. Okay. One thing that really helped me rin na bumalik sa pagbablog is watching other vloggers. Kasi nga minsan in-overthink ko and then they're just like sharing their life, ganyan. So, thank you, P. Sa akin na to.
Yep. That's yours naman talaga.
Okay. So, nagka-crash course kami ng lighting, camera.
So, yun. Nakikita mo yun sa camera.
Okay.
Yan,
So, ang
nakakontrol
camera
ko
na
siya
to
dito.
pala is yung action cam.
Yes. Hindi pwede kasi mababa yung...
You understand the movies you that person does. That's why you're going to see the man up there one of these days. My bank is going to be a bank that finances the expedition. What do you think of that?
Good night! Kids will sleep na.
No wizard that there is.
How's Dumbo? So, first half pa lang. Tomorrow we'll do the half.
How's it?
What are we learning?
But you cannot separate. You cannot separate the baby from a mom.
Yeah.
Who's they're just doing it for the money.
How was it, Yana?
That is quite good.
But can you tell me at least if it has a good happy ending? Don't spoil.
Yeah, I know the story.
You know
though.
the story. How did you know though?
We read the Disney book.
Mm.
And Dumbo's there.
Oh, good night ah. Love you.
Dad,
Good
I think we'll
night.
check if it's mine now.
Ano?
This is mine.
Yeah, if it breaks again.
So, dumating nga yung ano, 'di ba? Mia has been carrying it around. Eh, sige na.
Don't put pressure on it.
Hey, tinry nyo ba i-hold yung ganon? Kung maalikabok?
What man?
If it's dumi, in-alcohol nyo ba yan? Oh. Good night na daw, love.
Oh, that on the ears.
Sakit yun eh, na?
I
It's-
wouldn't
it's like-
baby.
Skate, kay Timba. Kung meron silang Dumbo, meron tayong Timba. Show the floppy ears. Bobby! Bobby! Atoy! 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 Woo! Timba! Simba's flying!
There.
Mia, wag mo siyang bibitawan.
Huwag nang maglaro ng ganyan, baby. It's not safe for her.
Baby will not allow you to watch Dumbo na. Mia Gale. Ay, naglock pa talaga.